Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. I just wanted to take this time to show you one of the physical stock vehicles we have available. This is a Citroen Dispatch. It's brand new, 2022. It's the Enterprise Plus and is fully fitted, ready to go. As I said, it is physical stock, so it is genuinely ready to go. It has a Bravo 650 twin operator system. You've got the Line-X flooring, you've got the poly kit, you've got some van storage accessories, you've got internal LED lighting. Underneath here you have your external van ports. We've left this one empty at the moment on the rear, so you can opt for manual hose reels or electric hose reels, or you can have manual stacked hose reels if that's your preference. Standard Bravo 650. The leisure batteries and split charge are stored neatly behind the tank. You've got your pumps, controllers and your TDS meter all on this side, with a pressure washer takeoff on the side also. If you want to hook up a pressure washer to that, you can do. So it is the Enterprise Pro, so it's the 140 horsepower variant, the 2 litre blue HDI as opposed to the 1.5, which gives you a 1400 kg payload as well. This, with it being the Pro version, you do have Android CarPlay and air conditioning and electric windows, so it's a really, really nice spec van. If you have any questions at all, just send us an email, give us a call, and we can get a quotation put together for you. This is in physical stock, and you can do contract hire, HP or outright purchase. Any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.